See here about the linkage and the crossing over. Here first we take out the meaning of a linked gene and linkage. What is the meaning of a linked gene? Genes present on same chromosome inherited togetherly. They transmit the characters from one generation to the next generation togetherly present on same chromosome. They are known as a linked genes. Linkage. What is the meaning of linkage? Linkage is mainly due to the linked genes. It is a phenomena or tendency in which two or more genes present on same chromosome, not on different chromosome, two or more than two genes present on same chromosome, if they inherited together, if they transmit the characters from one generation to the next, that is known as a linkage. So in other words, we can say that linkage is mainly due to the linked gene. Plant linkage described by the scientists Bateson and Punnett, while the animal linkage described by the scientist T.H. Morgan in Drosophila melanogaster. Then the types of linkage. Two main kinds of linkage: complete linkage and incomplete linkage. So here first we see the complete linkage. Complete linkage and incomplete linkage, the name itself indicates its meaning. Complete linkage is mainly due to the completely linked gene, while the incomplete linkage is mainly due to the incompletely linked gene. See the complete linkage. Observe the structure of a chromosome carefully here. Single one chromosome. On that single one chromosome, two genes are present there named as gene A and gene B. Gene A and gene B, they present close with each other. There is very short distance in between them. So there is a least chances of crossing over in between A and B. They occupy near position on a single chromosome on a same chromosome. There is a short distance in between gene A and gene B. So they inherit togetherly in next generation. They not shows the crossing over or genetic recombinations. See the general characters of completely linked genes here. Completely linked genes, they present closely located on chromosome. No crossing over, no exchange of a genetic material in between them due to the short distance in between them. These completely linked genes also known as a strongly linked gene also. They known as a strongly linked genes. So this is about a completely linked genes. Completely linked genes may results into complete linkage. Example is here. X chromosome. Gene present on X chromosome of a Drosophila male. Drosophila, that is the common fruit fly. And the genes present on the X chromosome of Drosophila male shows complete linkage. So this is the first one type. Then we are going towards the next one type, that is the incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage is mainly due to the incompletely linked gene. See the structure of an incompletely linked gene. See the chromosome C. On a chromosomes gene C and gene D. You easily compare in between gene A, gene B position and the position of a gene C and gene D. Gene C and gene D also occupy the position on a same chromosome, but they not present close with each other. They distantly located on chromosome. So there is a chances of a separation, there is a chances of a crossing over in between gene C and gene D. So they results into new recombinants by the crossing over. So they known as a incompletely linked gene. And this incompletely linked gene causes incomplete linkage. See the characters here. Incompletely linked genes, they present distantly on chromosome. Crossing over takes place. Exchange of genetic material takes place in between incompletely linked genes. They also known as a weakly linked genes. Example is here. Genes present in a geamase responsible for the color and shape of grain, they shows the incomplete linkage. So this is about a complete and incomplete linkage as well as completely linked gene and incompletely linked gene. Then the next one, that is the linkage group. Linkage group corresponds to the haploid number of chromosome, that is the single set of chromosome. If you take the example of a Drosophila melanogaster, it having 4 linkage group correspond to the 4 pairs of chromosomes. In case of a human being, there is a presence of about 46 number of a chromosomes. So about the haploid set of chromosomes, 23 linkage group correspond 23 pairs of chromosome in human beings. While if you take the example of a pea plant, in a pea plant, 7 linkage group corresponds to the 7 pairs of chromosome. Always remember, the questions may be asked exact linkage group present in a particular organism. In Drosophila, 4 linkage groups are there. In pea plant, 7 linkage group are there. So this is about a linkage groups. Every linked gene having linkage groups and it is correspond to the haploid number of chromosome. Then the next one concept, that is the crossing over. You already familiar with the crossing over. Crossing over always takes place during the meiotic cell division. In meiosis first, during the prophase first, crossing over takes place. During the crossing over, genetic material get exchanged. So it shows the following steps: synapsis, tetrad formation, crossing over and terminalization. Synapsis means there is a pairing in between homologous chromosome. Tetrad formation, these homologous chromosomes become short and thick. So there is a formation of 4 chromatids. So tetrad formation taking place there. In between homologous chromosome, exchange of a genetic material takes place. So it results into a crossing over. And due to the crossing over, chiasmata shifted towards the tip of chromosome, and that shifting of a chiasmata towards the end or tip of a chromosomes is known as a terminalization. Always remember, crossing over results into exchange of a genetic material which results into new genetic recombinations. So this is about a linkage and crossing over.